Hey, my name's Elise Pickett with the Urban Harvest, and I am going to be talking about annuals and perennials today. If you've been gardening now for a few seasons or a few years, you may have noticed that some of your plants need to be reseeded every single year, sometimes multiple times in one season, whereas other plants will last forever. They come back year after year. That is because one is an annual and one is a perennial. Annuals are seeds that you put in the ground. They produce what they're there to produce, say a green bean, and then they die. The others are perennials, and that means they're longer lived. Some may live just 2 or 3 years, while others may live 30, 40, 50, even 100 years. And these obviously only have to be planted once. This might be something like a fruit tree or a berry bush. Regardless of whether it's an annual or a perennial, they are still going to produce abundance for you. If you'd like to find out more about how to grow each of these plants and varieties, head over to kellogggarden.com for more resources and information.